Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers and another episode of What Did You Get Wednesday, put on by Joe and Link. And I got some really special stuff for you today because it's not just about models. What did I get? I got a lot of stuff. And the first and most important thing are my eyes. Notice I'm not wearing glasses. That's right. These big old baby browns can see you now. And this is so weird. I've been wearing glasses since like 4th or 5th grade. And to wake up and be able to see across the room to the alarm clock or look outside and I can see. It's just so wild. And for probably the first time in my life, I saw in the shower. I could actually read the shampoo bottles and stuff like that without having to pick them up and hold them to my face. It's all kinds of new experiences like that, and I can't wait to get to the beach or a swimming pool and actually be able to see when I come out of the water without having to find my glasses first. Now I still have to have some reading glasses on every once in a while I'm trying to look at my phone. As they're healing, I might have to hold it all the way out to try to read it or somewhere up close, and it's very different from before where if I couldn't see something, hold it closer, hold it closer, hold it closer, and now I'm having to push it away. And I've also found I got to wear them a lot while working on models. I'm going to cut away for a moment and show you some pictures of what things actually looked like for me before, and then you'll understand why I haven't been able to make videos and stuff for so long. I was so amazed at what I could see after the first eye was fixed, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I took a 35mm SLL camera and I turned off the autofocus. Then I adjusted it to mimic what I was seeing through my old eye. That was the only way that I could show you of what I was actually seeing, or not seeing. And then I would turn the autofocus back on and take another picture of what things looked like through my new eye and through the camera. Looking out my front door, looking into the backyard, what the TV looked like from 10 or 12 feet away. But it wasn't just the distance that was messed up. This is what the computer screen looked like sitting right in front of it. I was just seeing shapes and colors. There was no way I could edit a video because I couldn't even see the video that I was trying to edit. That's why my head was cut off for the Glory Days final video that I made back in October. And that was the real last video that I made. In this one, I thought my neighbor had put up a new white wall on his chicken coop. Imagine my surprise when I see he had a boat back in his backyard. So now you see why I haven't been able to do the thank you cards and thank you videos, like thank you JT for this wonderful model that I won from you, and for all the Christmas cards that I got from Tiffany and Josh and Tim and Julie and JT. I mean, look, doesn't his wife have beautiful handwriting? Beautiful. JT, she needs to write all of your cards and letters now. Shop cards from Paul at Left Coast Models, and I like these because they've got his kids on them as well as all the fancy things. But this one's kind of special to me because this was one of my first really good models that I built back as a teenager, this old 57 Chevy. And eventually I'm going to build another one, and this time maybe I'll actually paint it right. Anyways, there's more that's been going on. Even more. I got shop cards. Finally, I have shop cards. So I'm going to post my email somewhere down here, and I'll also have it in the link in my bio in the description of the thing. If you want a shop card, now I can finally send them out, and I can finally start asking you guys for some. I know you guys would. I just felt bad asking for something from you when I couldn't give you mine back in return. So now we can swap shop cards again. I might have to get a bigger board because there's even more. Yes, there is. I passed over 1,500 subscribers. I didn't even know because I couldn't see the computer. And I am just so thrilled with that and so impressed, so thankful for it that I got to do something, and I'm going to have a giveaway coming up very shortly. I'm gathering some stuff now for it, and some of the stuff I'm actually making for it, like these three. No, they're not pins. These are X-Acto knives that I made, and I'll show you more of them as when I make the video for my giveaway. But I'm going to be giving away a couple of these custom handmade X-Acto knives by me. I couldn't make them before anyways because I couldn't see to work the lathe. So be on the lookout for that video coming up soon, announcing the giveaway and the prizes that I'm going to give for it. I'm thinking there's going to be more than one. Since I missed the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I might as well have 2 winners, or I don't know, maybe even 3. Something. Because apparently you guys like me enough to keep making movies and videos, and I've been doing a lot of that. Now that I can see the computer again to edit, you're going to start seeing videos come out again, not just of model cars. We're going to have some model tanks. We're going to have some more of the oldies that I built from the past. We're going to have some videos, some how-to videos, not just on models, but other stuff around the house, lawnmower or whatever you might happen to need. And oh yeah, my friend is also back on, the lovely and talented Masked Model. She's got a different channel out now for home and gardening and outdoor stuff. It's M's Outdoor Vlog. So be sure to check that out when you have time. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Oh, and I'll also be able to start catching up on your videos too once I get all these things edited. Finally watch and see what everybody's going on. I know there's some great group builds going on that I got to get into, and I got to get them built. And I have to keep smiling because now I can actually see on the camera what is coming up, and this is just so wild not having the glasses. You know, for so long, and they've been a part of my life of just reaching out and putting them on for everything. That it's taken a little bit to get used to, but it's one of those really good things to have to get used to. They fixed them back to 2020. I can see to drive now. You might be safe on the road. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and sticking around for all this, and I'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.